Hello, dear friends. Today we're going to talk about the bright and talented actress, Yagmur Yuksel, whose career is just beginning, but already catching the attention of viewers worldwide. With each passing day, her popularity grows, and audiences are becoming more enchanted by her expressive acting and delicate beauty. Yagmur Yuksel was born on the 21st of January, 2002, in the city of Merzifon'u in the Turkish province of Amasya. By zodiac sign, she is a Capricorn, and judging by her determination and persistence, it seems these qualities define her both in life and on screen. The actress recalls her childhood with warmth. According to her, she was a cheerful child who never felt lonely. She loved singing, dancing, and of course watching television series. The vivid characters and the craftsmanship of actors inspired her, and she dreamed of being on screen one day. Even as a schoolgirl, Yagmur began receiving invitations to auditions, although she initially declined them. However, in her senior year of medical school, her dream finally came true. After signing a contract with the BC Management Agency, Yagmur decided to pursue acting in television series, and that turned out to be the right decision. In 2020, she landed her first role in the film Nufur, a fantasy thriller about the love between a genie and a human, which opened the doors to the world of cinema and television for her. Yagmur Yuksel is just at the beginning of a long journey, and we are all eagerly awaiting the new roles and bright characters she will portray on screen. Thank you for joining us. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new stories about stars. See you soon.